In a world that often relies heavily on pharmaceuticals, there is a growing interest in harnessing the healing potential of herbal and natural medicine. Making your own herbal remedies at home allows you to connect with nature, take control of your well-being, and customize treatments to your specific needs. Whether you are seeking to address common ailments, support overall health, or explore alternative healing methods, this comprehensive 15-step guide will empower you to create herbal and natural medicine in the comfort of your own home. By delving into the world of herbal medicine, you can tap into centuries-old wisdom and traditions that emphasize the power of plants. Herbal remedies offer a holistic approach to health, considering not just symptoms but the underlying causes of imbalances. The process of making your own herbal medicine allows you to intimately connect with the natural world, deepening your understanding of the healing properties of herbs and their diverse applications. Throughout this guide, we will explore a wide range of techniques and preparations to help you create effective herbal remedies. You will learn how to select and measure herbs, prepare infusions and decoctions, craft tinctures and salves, brew soothing teas, create herbal syrups and elixirs, and even make herbal capsules or pills. Each step is designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills necessary to confidently and safely prepare herbal medicines at home. It's important to note that while herbal medicine can be a powerful healing modality, it is not a substitute for professional medical advice. It is always wise to consult with a qualified herbalist or healthcare professional, especially if you have specific health concerns, are taking medications, or have underlying medical conditions. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure the safe and appropriate use of herbs in your individual circumstances. By engaging in the process of making herbal and natural medicine at home, you are embarking on a journey of self-care, empowerment, and connection with nature. You have the opportunity to cultivate a deeper understanding of your body, explore the vast world of medicinal plants, and take an active role in your well-being. So, let's begin this enriching and empowering journey together, as we dive into the comprehensive 15-step guide on how to make herbal/natural medicine at home. Step 1. Research and gather information. Begin by conducting research on the herbs and plants that possess medicinal properties. Familiarize yourself with their uses, benefits, and potential risks. Explore reputable sources, books, and websites dedicated to herbal medicine to expand your knowledge. Step 2. Build a herbal medicine cabinet. Create a collection of essential herbs and ingredients that form the foundation of your herbal medicine cabinet. Include commonly used herbs such as chamomile, lavender, ginger, peppermint, and echinacea. Store them in a cool, dark place to maintain their potency. Step 3. Understand herbal preparation methods. Explore different herbal preparation methods, such as infusions, decoctions, tinctures, salves, and poultices. Each method extracts and preserves the medicinal properties of herbs in unique ways. Understand the specific techniques required for each preparation method. Step 4. Gather necessary equipment. Collect the necessary equipment for herbal medicine making, including glass jars, strainers, cheesecloth, mortar and pestle, scales, measuring spoons, and storage containers. Ensure they are clean and designated solely for herbal medicine preparation. Step 5. Identify your health needs. Identify your specific health concerns or needs. Determine which herbs and natural remedies are best suited to address your conditions. Consult with a qualified herbalist or healthcare professional for personalized advice if necessary. Step 6. Select and measure herbs. Carefully select the herbs based on your research and needs. Measure the appropriate quantities using scales or measuring spoons, ensuring accuracy for consistent results. Step 7. Prepare herbal infusions and decoctions. Master the art of creating herbal infusions and decoctions by steeping herbs in hot water or simmering them to extract their medicinal properties. Understand the correct ratios, temperatures, and durations for optimal results. Step 8. Create herbal tinctures. Learn the process of making herbal tinctures, which involves extracting medicinal compounds using alcohol or glycerin. Follow specific recipes and guidelines for different herbs, their desired effects. Step 9. Craft healing herbal salves. Discover how to make herbal salves by infusing medicinal herbs into carrier oils, adding beeswax for a solid consistency. Experiment with various herb combinations to create salves for specific purposes, such as skin healing or muscle pain relief. Step 10. Brew soothing herbal teas. Explore the art of brewing herbal teas using dried or fresh herbs. Experiment with different blends ratios to create flavorful and therapeutic concoctions. Strive for optimal steeping times and temperatures. Step 11. Prepare herbal syrups elixirs. Learn to make herbal syrups and elixirs using sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Combine herbal infusions or tinctures with sweeteners to create delicious therapeutic remedies for coughs. Immune support or digestive health. Step 12. Create herbal capsules or pills. Discover methods for encapsulating powdered herbs to create herbal capsules or pills. Use appropriate capsule making tools and follow guidelines for accurate dosing. Step 13. Practice proper labeling and storage. Label each herbal preparation with the herb name, date of creation, any specific instructions or dosage recommendations. Store your herbal medicines in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain their potency. Step 14. Document your recipes and experiments. Maintain a herbal medicine journal to record your recipes, experiments, and observations. This will help you refine your techniques, track effectiveness, and improve future preparations. Step 15. Continually expand your knowledge. Embrace a lifelong learning journey in herbal medicine. Attend workshops, join herbalist communities, and continue exploring the vast world of plants and their healing properties. Expand your repertoire of herbs and techniques to enhance your herbal medicine making skills. Great job on completing this comprehensive 15-step guide on how to make herbal and natural medicine at home. By following these steps, you have embarked on a journey of self-sufficiency, empowerment, and natural healing. Embracing the world of herbal medicine allows you to tap into the incredible power of plants, personalize your remedies, and take control of your well-being. As you explore the diverse techniques and preparations outlined in this guide, you will discover the immense potential of herbal medicine. Whether you are concocting a soothing herbal tea blend to ease stress and anxiety or creating a healing salve infused with lavender and calendula to soothe skin irritations, the possibilities are endless. By understanding the specific properties and uses of herbs, you can target a wide range of conditions and support your body's natural healing processes. Remember, herbal medicine is a dynamic and ever-evolving field. It encourages experimentation and personalization, allowing you to tailor remedies to your unique needs. For instance, if you're seeking immune support during cold and flu season, you can create a potent elderberry syrup infused with immune-boosting herbs like echinacea and ginger. By documenting your recipes, observations, and outcomes, you can refine your preparations over time and build a personal repertoire of effective herbal remedies. While herbal medicine offers numerous benefits, it's important to approach it with caution and respect. Some herbs may interact with medications or have contraindications for certain health conditions. Always consult with a qualified herbalist, naturopath, or healthcare professional before incorporating new herbs or remedies into your routine. They can provide valuable guidance, ensure your safety, and help you navigate any potential interactions. By making herbal and natural medicine at home, you are embracing a sustainable and environmentally friendly approach to healthcare. You reduce your reliance on synthetic pharmaceuticals and contribute to a more harmonious relationship with nature. Furthermore, preparing your remedies allows you to prioritize organic and ethically sourced ingredients, ensuring the purity and quality of your creations. As you continue on your herbal medicine journey, consider expanding your knowledge and exploring additional herbs, techniques, and remedies. Attend workshops, connect with herbalist communities, and dive into the wealth of herbal literature available. Embrace the opportunity to deepen your understanding of the intricate web of healing plants and their remarkable properties. So, armed with your newfound knowledge, step into your kitchen, gather your herbs, and let the alchemy of herbal medicine begin. Whether you're blending soothing teas, crafting potent tinctures, or infusing healing oils, remember that the power to heal lies in your hands. Embrace the ancient wisdom of herbal medicine, nurture your well-being, and embark on a lifelong journey of natural healing and self-discovery.